Great golf tips and tricks that make you a better player. Whether you are a beginner or seasoned golf player, this video seeks to provide you with tips that can not only improve your technique, but improve your overall golfing experience. Take the information provided in this video to help you with your golf goals in the short term, and for the long term. Try taking swings from the opposite side to improve your game. If you are a lefty, address the ball from the opposite side for a while. You should have a better swing when you return to your usual stance. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to remember to tip your caddy if you are playing at a course that provides one. This is important because they are waiting on you much like a waiter and may only receive minimal hourly pay from the course manager. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is store your clubs where is it safe. Never leave your golf clubs in your automobile overnight, if you do not park it in a secure garage. Many thieves know that people tend to keep clubs in their back seat or trunk and will target you. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to never let yourself lose your golf form. This is important because if you do not practice the sport on a regular basis, it can be easy to lose the muscle memory associated with a proper swing and therefore lose your golfing ability. Stay on top of it if you care about your performance. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to make sure that you follow your ball after you hit it. This is extremely important so that you do not waste time by looking for your ball. If you have trouble tracking your shots, you may ask somebody else in your party to assist you in locating your shots. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to consider changing your practice environment. This can be helpful because sometimes all it takes is a change of scenery for you to either notice a way to improve your game or get yourself out of a rut. Even if you have to travel farther, it may just be worth it. With golf, you can always tweak your game and improve your techniques to boost your score and enhance your golf outing experiences. Apply the information and helpful tips provided in this video, so that you can start to become the golf player you seek to be, now and in the future. This one secret, dead simple move, is so powerful and easy to learn, you'll start hitting powerful, accurate, flush golf shots in minutes. Visit secretgolfhack.com to learn all of this and more. Ben Hogan's real golf swing secret, that he took to his grave, is finally discovered. And it's unlike anything you've ever seen before. Visit secretgolfhack.com to discover the secret and more. Link in the description.